Up in the sky, is it a UFO? Is it a surveillance drone? Over the heads of tens of thousands of Russian protesters, it flew, and this video flew onto sites like UFO Sightings Daily, where they pondered this possible alien probe.
Could the craft capturing this video be one of these probes?
You really think? Many protesters figured it was their own government keeping them under surveillance with a drone. But it wasn't aliens looking down on the crowd, and it wasn't the Russian government spying on demonstrators. It was this.
It's a radio-controlled hexacopter.
A hexacopter, hex meaning 6 rotors with a wide-angle camera attached. And look at the beautiful pictures it took of the biggest protest Moscow has seen in decades. And when they edited together the panoramic views, they got this. They call themselves Air Pano, a group of 8 or so Russians who do this for fun. A 2-man team operates the hexacopter, a pilot and a camera operator. These days, you never know where your drone is gonna land, and no, the hexacopter did not end up in Iran. Still, the hexacopter pilot wasn't taking any chances. No point in crash landing on the crowd. The hexacopter stayed over the river, and twice someone in the crowd aimed fireworks rockets at it.
To shoot the device with this stuff.
No damage done. You can buy something like this. A Canadian company sells the Dragonflyer X8. Camera and chopper sell for between $10,000 and $50,000. CNN is using something similar for a nature special with Philippe Cousteau.
A quadricopter. Just the name is cool.
They've been used at other recent protests, for instance in Warsaw, to get a view of the action. Occupy Wall Street even has an occupocopter. The Russians bought parts to build their own hexacopter. They've been shooting beautiful places all over the world. By the way, do you believe in UFOs?
Yes, I do believe. We have one.
And if you're ever tempted to fly a remote-controlled chopper, try not to chop up your son.
Oops, sorry.
Jeannie Mo, CNN, New York.